nilikuwa registry nikaambiwa na wakili kwamba you address.
Mbona kuniambia ndugu yangu? Morning Ngobonyo.
Morning to you.
I'm not your observations.
So nikaja na
the High Court and in this matter before the Children's Court. We are here this morning to report back to the Tononoka Court, Court number 1 before Honorable Yator, on what the judge in the High Court directed yesterday when you appeared before him, following my application on behalf of Helen Maria, seeking the review and stay of proceedings of this Tononoka Children's Court in this matter since I came on record for her. The High Court has already stayed all the proceedings of this Tononoka Court in this matter and has directed that Helen Maria's application for review and stay in the High Court shall be determined by the judge, Honorable Judge Onyego, on the 15th of December. So that we are here to report that the matter is currently before the High Court and we shall report to the judge on 15th December on what has happened in this matter, because the respondent, Kevin, has been given daytime access for the child on a daily basis until the time when he goes back to this Britain, probably on the 8th as per his papers. So we are just here to report back to the magistrate on what the judge has said, that he will deliver his ruling on our application for review and stay on the 15th of December. That is what we've come to report. And in the meantime, there is a stay of all the proceedings of this court, Tononoka Court, by the orders of the judge in the High Court.